Hi everyone, the topic we have before us in mathematics today is polygon. At the end of this topic, we should be able to solve any question whatsoever in polygon. What we need to outline are four equations. The first one states that the sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon is equal to 180 n minus 2. That n is indicating the number of sides of that polygon. Then the second one says the sum of the exterior angles of an n-sided polygon is equal to 360 degree. Doesn't matter the number of sides of the polygon, the sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. Then we should also have that one exterior angle of an n-sided polygon equals 360 over n. That is, when we want to know what is the size of one exterior angle of an n-sided polygon, we can find it by using this equation 360 over n. Then lastly, we have that one interior angle of an n-sided polygon equals 180 n minus 2 over n. That is, when we know the number of sides of the polygon and we want to know what is the value of one of its interior angle, we can make use of this equation and it will give us. So for us to understand this topic very well, we need to consider some questions. So I have question number 1 here that says a regular polygon has 9 sides. What is the side of one of its external angle? A regular polygon has 9 sides. What is the size of one of its external angle? What is a regular polygon? Any polygon that has all its sides equal. So the first thing we need to note there is that the number of sides of that polygon is what? 9. And then if you check one of the 4 equations that we have listed here, equation 3 is the best to tackle this problem. That one says one exterior angle of an S-sided polygon is 360 over n. So we can say one exterior angle equals 360 over n. What is the value of n? 9, because the polygon is 9-sided. So what will be the value of one exterior angle? That will be what? 40 degree. I hope we are getting that. Another one states here that the 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral are the first one is x plus 20 degree, the second one is x plus 10 degree, the third one is 2x minus 45 degree, and the fourth one is x minus 25 degree. The 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral are x plus 20 degree, x plus 10 degree, 2x minus 45 degree, and 4x x minus 25 degree. Find the value of x. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a special type of polygon that has 4 sides. And then if it has 4 sides, the sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. And of course, we know the examples of quadrilateral. We have square, we have rectangle, and so on. So it means when we add all these 4 angles together, it must equal to 360 degree. So let us add them together. X plus 10 plus 2x minus 45 plus x minus 25 equals to, how did I even arrive at that 360 degree? You know that sum of interior angle of a regular polygon is 180 n minus 2. Our n in this case is 4. So collecting our like terms, we can have something like this: plus 20 plus 10 minus 45 minus 25 equals 180 into 2. So x plus x, 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x, 5x plus 20 plus 10, 30. 30 minus 45 is minus 15. Then minus 15 minus 25 is minus 40 equals 360. So I move the minus 40 to the other side by collecting the like term. So 360 plus 40. When this negative sign crosses the equality sign, it changes the sign. So 5x equals 400. Dividing both sides by 5, I have my x to be what? 80. So according to the question, we're asked to look for the value of x. I hope we are getting it one after the other. Another one says that the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 6x plus 6y. The sum of the interior angle of a pentagon. For a pentagon, our n is 5, and the sum is 6x plus 6y. Then the question is, find x, y in terms of x. So let's write the sum first. Sum of interior angle equals 180 n minus 2. Because it is pentagon, our number of sides is 5. So what's the sum? 6x plus 6y equals 180. Then we substitute 5 for n. 5 minus 2. We can factorize 6 out here. 6 is common to both, so we have x plus y equals 180 into 3. So we have x plus y equals 180 into 3 divided by 6. So our x plus y equals 180 divided by 6 is 30. 30 times 3 is 90. So the real question is, find y in terms of x, meaning that we should make y the subject of the formula. So we can say y equals 90 minus x. I hope we are getting this one after the other. I want to take the last example for this topic. And the example reads, an interior angle of a polygon is 5 times each exterior angle. One interior angle of a polygon is 5 times each exterior angle. So let us give expression for that. One interior angle equals 5 times one exterior angle. So what is the expression for one interior angle of a polygon? As stated before, that's 180 into n minus 2 over n equals 5 times, for one exterior angle of a polygon, 360 over n. If we multiply both sides through by n, we have 180 n minus 2 and n times 5 times 360 over n. We did that to eliminate our n. So we have 180 into n minus 2 equals 5 times 360. What are we asked to do in that question? We are asked to find the number of sides of that polygon, that is, what is our n. So we can further divide both sides by 180. Divide through by 180. So 180 n minus 2 over 180 because 5 times 360 divided by 180. So we have n minus 2 equals 180 in 360 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Then we'll move minus 2 to the other side. N equals 10 plus 2. Then n equals 12. Meaning that the polygon has 12 sides. I hope with these few examples we have highlighted, you've been able to have a full understanding of what polygon is and how we can tackle any question on that. Thank you very much.